through turn one for the first time. Oh my goodness me.
Back wheels off the ground there. And they've raised the car, I think, pretty much as high as they can. That's what the guys were saying. There you go, back wheels off again. How much? Oh, there you go. That was nearly on the wall, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was one of the Amlin Aguri cars.
Yeah.
I mean, at this rate, they're going to just wear it out, aren't they, and shave it down by themselves.
They're going to, yeah, I don't know if they'll wear the track out. They might wear the plank out before that, and possibly the tub as well. That's when it starts to get interesting.
Buemi.
There we go. But
goodness me. So we've got quite a few new drivers this weekend. Just to...
Oh, I think I'd be wanting that raised a bit.
Yeah.
I lifted quite a lot there. He was very straight speed into that corner. We're talking about sacrificing that exit. That's probably her last lap before pitting. Tell you what, those are... Oh!
In Heritage, she's got both the Swiss flag and the Italian flag.
Something. You'll hear it bottom in a second here. There we go.
Goodness me. He's on it. Yeah, look how much the car's moving as Jean-Eric Verne flies into the first turn.
And then as it hits the bump, that goes away. Wow.
Turn. And we'll keep an eye out for whether PK's on it. Watch this.
It wasn't too bad.
Second quickest. Turvey through turn one. And he takes it a little bit wider, doesn't he?
He does. He's real.
Fact is that this is actually the second longest track we've had this. That's the second time she's come out of the pits in a number of laps. Buemi, by the looks of things, so just didn't quite get it hooked up. Goodness me. Exactly. They come into turn one. And PK, oh, okay.
Yeah.
Didn't get to see it.
Oh, that's broken before that. That's already broken. It broke on the bump.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, this is on board with him in the nose cam, so that's where it goes.
Yeah, it broke on the
turn one.
You could see the marks from the plank there. Look at them going over. Wow.
And you're getting two marks now, because you're getting one where they take off and one mark where they land too.
Yeah, precisely, there you go. And there's another mark as they land. And there's two shocks into the suspension there. And it really is asking a lot of these cars to put up with a massive bump like that. I mean, well, look at that. Up, down, and then yeah. So you've got the initial hit, and then you've got the takeoff, and then the initial land, the second landing.
Yeah.
Wow.
Big stuff for these guys.
Yeah, there's nothing you can do about that. You cannot.
D'Ambrosio was hitting it particularly hard, though. You see what I mean? Like that previous shot was D'Ambrosio, and Lucas Di Grassi leading the way.
I'm going to have to stop kind of laughing or exclaiming every time somebody hits it. The Team China car actually missed it there.
Yeah, I think that was Turvey going well around it to the right.
Yeah.
Because it is in a specific location. It doesn't go all the way. You still the Venturi car did it as well.
Up the rear tyre and how you modulate, as you say, that's going to be key. It's going to be interesting watching them run through.